Let's dive into an explainer on a super painful relationship reality that nobody likes talking about. You still love them, you aren't even fighting, but somehow the intimacy just completely vanished. Why? It wasn't a sudden slam door. It was a slow leak where months silently turned into years. Now, a licensed therapist warns we're actually treating the wrong problem entirely. It's not a logistics issue, it's an attachment collision. And the painful secret, this actually gets worse the more you love them. See, early on, sex thrived on uncertainty. Now your vulnerable cells carry all that deep shared history. It's a crazy paradox. Intimacy fades precisely because you truly matter to each other now. Married sex triggers two live wire questions in your nervous system, leaving both of you feeling incredibly exposed. One person feels like just a roommate, while the other is terrified they aren't enough anymore. So you fall into survival modes. One reaches out to feel chosen, while the other retreats from fear. And you know what won't save you: date nights, apps, or trying to bypass this shared pain. To actually fix this, you've got to totally surrender the fantasy that desire is just going to be spontaneous. Instead, embrace what therapists call proof of work sex. It's intimacy you actually earn by intentionally showing up. So, how do we actually repair things? Let's walk through the exact 5 step framework the pros use. First, name the loop without blaming. Then honestly, just grieve that uncomplicated early sex together. Next, schedule it. This preps your nervous system and lower the bar from high performance to simple connection. Finally, go back and apologize for that old unaddressed moment where a reach was met with rejection. Now, professional help is definitely required if one partner completely refuses to look at this loop with you. Outside the bedroom today, try saying this small, honest sentence to start the repair without demanding anything. The mattress isn't actually the distance between you. The unspoken sentence is, will you finally say it? If you want to work on this for real, try Figlet, my AI relationship coaching app. You can start for free, no credit card needed, at figlet.empathy.com.